everybody! It's the time of the day where I open my calendars. So, I will start with a custom-made number 6. So in Germany today we have what we call Nikolaus. And Nikolaus, I don't know if you've got it. Tell me if you have or not. So in a Nikolaus, the kids put their shoes outside and then they will receive candy the next morning. Or a little present, a book or something. So that was today. Okay, so here you have, what have we got? A nice pile of pieces. We will put them together in a minute. And a pack of candy. Yay, I will open it here. What's in there? Oh, look at that. Oh, okay. We have perfect for me. Then because today is Nikolaus, we get a chocolate Nikolaus, and I have 3 of them. Look at them, how cool they look. So they are so nice. I love them. I don't want to eat them because they are so cool, but they are out of chocolate, and that's why I will eat them. So they've got a little tag on the back that says, you see it? Let me have a look if I can focus. They're nice to sweet you. So, perfect for me. Thank you very much if my Secret Santa is watching this. Oh, there's a 4th one! He was hidden! Look, I've got 4 of them. Ha! Cool! Perfect. I love it. Okay, so that was the first the first bag, and then we have the Merry Mischief calendar. Let's see what animal is in there today. So the color of the bag today is like a mint green. And I think I can see flamingo legs. So we will... Oh no! It is falling apart. So the doors I already used, they just fall out. But that's not that bad. I thought of using it again because it's very, very solid. I would keep the inlay, but this one, I mean, I would have removed it anyways. So this one is falling apart a bit. But it has to make it till Christmas. Okay, then I would say let's go and do the jigsaws. So my guess was correct, and this is a flamingo in shape of a snowman. So it's a very cool flamingo. I mean, you've got the presents here, Merry Christmas, but that's the least Christmassy one I had till now. So, and here, this is my part of today, and we've got another angel with is it the trumpet? Here, and a lot of presents here, and here we can see the signature from the artist, and I would say it's maybe Roveno or something. There is Santa, and he is ice skating too. So I've got a feeling I can put this part, the loose part, we can put that we can connect that. Wait a sec. I will try. Whoosh. So, boom. Now we've got that. Okay, so we have here a bigger part. We can't connect it to this part yet. I will have to remove the snowman for a sec. So, whoop. So, there must be one piece between these two islands. So maybe this bit will come in a few days. And then we can connect it, and then we've got a big one. But by now, that's nice as well. Okay, then thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day, and we will see us tomorrow. Bye bye.